I see so many of you struggling to look rich on a budget. You know that feeling? Scrolling through social media, seeing these guys rocking those sharp, expensive outfits? And you just crave that same look? But then reality hits. Those designer brands can leave your wallet feeling lighter than a feather. Fear not, fellas. Today, we're cracking the code on achieving luxury style on a budget. That's right. Luxury without the hefty price tag. Step 1. Master the classics. First things first, let's build a solid foundation. Forget fleeting trends. Classic pieces are your best friends. A perfectly tailored navy suit, timeless, a crisp white Oxford shirt, undeniably classy. These core items never go out of style, and you can mix and match them endlessly to create a variety of looks. Plus, a well-made classic will last for years, making it a fantastic investment for your budget. Step 2. Fit is king. Okay guys, listen up. Even the most expensive clothes will look cheap if they don't fit you right. Baggy suits, droopy shoulders, no bueno. A tailored fit elevates any outfit from drab to fab. Don't be afraid to get your clothes altered. A nip here, a tuck there, and suddenly, that off-the-rack piece becomes a custom masterpiece. Trust me, the confidence boost you get from a perfect fit is priceless. Step 3. Quality over quantity. We've all been there, tempted by those fast fashion deals. But here's the truth. Cheap clothes wear out fast, leaving you needing replacements constantly. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Invest in a few well-made pieces that will stand the test of time. Look for natural fabrics like cotton and wool. They breathe better and drape beautifully. You'll be surprised by how much more luxurious your wardrobe feels with fewer, better items. Step 4. Elevate with accessories. The right accessories can take your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. A timeless watch adds a touch of sophistication. A well-made leather belt speaks volumes about your attention to detail. And don't underestimate the power of a pocket square. It injects personality and a pop of color. Remember, accessories are like the finishing touches on a masterpiece. They pull everything together and add that undeniable luxury feel. Step 5. Confidence is the ultimate luxury. Now, this last step isn't about buying anything at all. It's about how you wear what you have. Confidence is the ultimate luxury accessory. When you own your style, when you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. So stand tall, fellas. Rock those budget-friendly threads with pride and let your confidence shine through. That's the real secret to achieving true luxury style. There you have it, gents. Looking good doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little planning and these tips, you too can achieve that luxurious look you desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome style hacks, and leave a comment below letting me know your favorite budget-friendly fashion finds. Until next time, stay stylish, my friends.